Hello everyone, this is Wendy from MoveAide, and I want to quickly show you how powerful MoveAide's analytics are and how it can really help you manage the service quality of your teams. The overall analytics gives you an overview of how your office has performed. Over here, you can see the total number of reviews received for this date period. It also shows you how many of your customers will use you again and how many won't. You can view your service quality scores by your Move consultants, your packing teams, and your Move coordinators. The overall score shows you how satisfied your customers are with your service. The year-to-date figures show you the scores you have received for the current year. This will give you a good indication of whether your service quality is improving or not when compared with any specific period of the year. Now, if you click on Compare with Industry, the year-to-date scores will now reflect the industry scores for your country. This is a very powerful tool as it measures you against your direct competitors, and you can immediately identify the areas that your office needs to work on to beat the competition. In this example, it becomes very obvious that the weak link for this moving company is the sales team. Now let's take a look at the breakdown of the overall scores to have a clearer picture. On this page, you're able to view the breakdown scores for your various service teams. If your teams have any major strengths or weaknesses, it becomes very apparent on this page. For example, if you look at the sales team, the attitude and friendliness of the Move consultants are highly commendable, but there is a serious problem with punctuality. The packing team here has done very well in all areas except for their appearance. And if you look at the Move coordinator's performance scores, there seems to be an issue with returning phone calls promptly. The individual analytics breaks down your service quality scores by each individual service staff within your office. It is also an amazing tool to identify the strengths and weaknesses of each individual service staff. For example, if we take a look at the scores of the various Move consultants for this moving company, it is very obvious that James Logan has a punctuality issue. And if you look at the scores of the packing teams, the management should consider sending the crew from Team Bravo for a grooming course. For the Move coordinator team, it is clear that Shiro struggles with providing timely support for customers. Do you see how powerful these analytics are when it comes to helping you manage the quality of your service team as well as setting KPIs for them? With one customer who has told us how this has been instrumental in helping them manage their service teams. Before using MoveAide, they were struggling with a few unhappy sales staff, commenting how management is biased and that they do not get the juicy corporate accounts. With these analytics, they were able to easily justify why some of the sales staff always got the juicy accounts and some of the packing teams get to do the VIP moves. The corporate account analytics quickly lists down customer review scores by corporate accounts. This is highly useful for your corporate marketing team. They are able to have a look at the happiness quotient of assignees of the specific corporate account before making that sales call. You can also easily export out the scores into an Excel file by clicking on Export to CSV. Imagine how convenient it is to have these scores exported out for a specific account when negotiating renewal of contracts and price increases. And if you are in charge of a group of officers in various regions, the group analytics will be a very useful management tool for you. At a glance, you're able to immediately see how the various offices stack up against each other. You can measure each of the offices with an industry average for that country. You can also compare each office's service quality scores with their year-to-date scores to see if they are making steady improvements throughout the year. The system also automatically calculates a group average based on all offices within your jurisdiction. You can use this as a baseline to see which offices are performing above the group average and which ones need improvement. These group analytics can be broken down into the various service quality teams such as the sales teams, packing teams, and the Move coordinator teams. As you can see, the MoveAide Analytics offers an invaluable quality management tool. All data is in real time, and scores are available immediately at the click of your mouse. These analytics allow you to easily set measurable KPIs for all your service quality teams to help motivate and increase service quality scores. Imagine the unfair advantage you have over your competition when you are able to immediately identify your strengths and weaknesses by benchmarking your service quality levels against industry averages. With this information, you can easily identify your weak links and work on them immediately. I hope this short clip has given you a better idea of what MoveAide's analytics can do for your organization. Thank you.